Hello everyone, Michael here, and it is hot in our area. Yeah. Currently right now it is 88 degrees in our area. So it was hotter this morning. It was hotter when I was sweeping the stairs. It was like in the 90s, and yesterday it was in the hundreds. My God, it's so hot outside. And we got nothing better to do than play Black Ops.
Yes, that's all we got to do.
And argue with each other.
Yes.
And talk to my bird Picard.
That's great.
And one thing that bothers me though is this little image right here. Look at this. Look at this. I keep seeing this all the time. I mean, it's like it always talks about Prince William and the Duchess known as Kate kiss on the balcony at Buckingham Palace after their wedding in April 29, 2011. Big fucking deal. And this was like days before we killed Osama bin Laden. That God bless our Team 6, whoever those people were. Team 6 or something? My brother thinks they died or something. Did they die, Picard? Did they die? Well, since we the Americans don't have a monarchy, since our country is a constitutional republic and not a monarchy, we don't have a king or a queen, but Great Britain still does after all this time, since the medieval times. They've always had a queen. Ever since the Dark Ages, they've always had a king and a queen in Great Britain, always. And even today, I mean, it's like, yeah, I keep seeing these guys all the time, even though this was their anniversary was about over a month ago. Okay. Oh, good bird, good bird, good job, Picard. He pooped on Prince William. Good job, Picard. Good job, Picard. He pooped on Prince William. All right. Not exactly.
Good bird.
I didn't really. That's what I was planning, but I didn't really expect it right away. I saw him like lowering his bottom. I'm like, oh my God, he's gonna poop, and I lowered him to the paper, and he pooped. Oh my God. Yeah, this is what we the Americans think about this monarchy in Great Britain. My bird shat on Prince William.
Great Britain, one of us, like, or something.
What are you talking about?
You mean, like, one of our allies?
Technically, yes, but we whooped their asses in the Revolutionary War, and again in the War of 1812.
I want to talk about the War
Saved
of
their asses
1812.
in World War I. Saved their asses in
World
World
War
War
II.
Is that funny, Picard? Is that funny? I was planning on doing this, but not so soon. I'm like, Picard's lowering his bottom, and he's like, oh my God. That's a good bird. That's a good bird. And for being such a good bird, you get a cracker. Did you get a cracker this morning at all?
You can get a pumpkin seed, probably. What the hell is this?
Maybe we should give him a cracker.
Hey, Michael, look at this envelope.
And for being such a good bird, you... What?
I like that envelope.
Yeah, whatever. Who's that, anyways?
I don't know.
Anyways, for being such a good bird, you're gonna keep this newspaper as your dropping papers, or whatever you call these papers that you use for a bird when they poop. For being such a good bird, we're gonna use this front page as your droppings paper, whatever you call them. Now since Prince William is underneath your cage, you can poop on him all you want, Picard. That's what we the Americans think about a monarchy. Screw that. We have our president. This is a republic.
I'll be laughing if they come here to avoid us, Picard. I'll be laughing.
Anyways, for being such a good bird, you get a cracker. Yeah, you get a cracker. You get a cracker. You get a cracker. You get a cracker. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, you're so cute, Picard. Hi, Picard. Yeah, hi, buddy. Look at Picard. 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 Oh, sorry, buddy, sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay, it's alright. You got your cracker.
Oh my God,
It's alright, buddy. You got your cracker. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I actually. It's alright, Picard. It's alright. Calm down, Picard. Calm down. You got your cracker. My bird gets very excited when we give him these little balls that he has right now. It's called Nutriberries. They're Nutriberries. They're treats for him that he really loves. But we call him Cracker. Isn't that right, Picard? We call him Cracker. Isn't that right, Picard? Now you could piss or poop on Prince William all day. Anyways, okay. The reason why I was freaking out is because I had the lid on top of Picard's head. I'm like, and Picard's like shrieking. I'm like, oh my god, poor baby. I'm trying to close the lid, but he's still on the thing container, and he had his head caught. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Picard. Danny still is fucking playing Black Ops, being a noob on Black Ops, as always. Isn't it just another episode?
I'm the host of the game, so it's very. No, I'm the host of the game, so.
Dad says that Dad says watching Danny play Black Ops is like watching.
A rerun.
Yeah, watching a rerun. That's what Dad says. Watching a rerun. Danny got killed again.
But I'm the lag switcher now, because I'm the fucking host.
Yeah.
Cheater. Danny the cheater.
Danny the noob. Danny's such a noob. Well, I hope you liked the video. It kind of was a fucked up video, but I was whatever. Hope you all liked this. Peace out, everybody. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Picard.
Peckerhead.
Bye bye, Picard. All right.